Hindi siya. Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Ayan, so guys, for today's video, another another panty haul. So guys, I went to the mall and I bought some more panties. Okay, so ayan, simulan na natin. I have two here, ayan, yellow and pink. So of course, unahin muna natin ang pink. Ayan. So this one is worth um 55 pesos. So this is less than $1. Ayan siya guys. Ito ang sinaunang panty. Ayan, sinaunang panty ni siya guys. Very cute one, pack. Okay, so ganito siya guys. And then ayan, namay ko panty karong, but it's white also, but I really like it. This one, ganito siya, ganito yan siya guys. Okay, so 55 pesos, so very good. Tanggalin na natin. Ang size niya ay, the size is medium. Medium ba niya? Medium or large? I don't know. Okay, large di ay. Okay, large. So ganito siya guys. Very, very, ang ganda niya. Okay. I like it. Very maganda siya. Maganda. Okay? So, of course, ganito siya. And then, kailangan mo lang siya anuhin. Ito yung normal panty lang siya, guys. Okay? Sige, doon na tayo sa isa, sa yellow. Okay? So, the yellow one is, I bought it. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and subscribe, and also comment. Okay, I will read your comment below. Okay, that is important thing also, so I know which color do you like for me, or what ano yung gusto niyo, what you like, yeah, or what do you think, what is color fit to me, or like more beautiful or sexy. Okay, so ito ang yellow, worth 25 pesos. Aray ko. 25 pesos only, guys. Like your 50 cents. I think this is your 30 cents US. 30 cents pa siya. Yellow, and everyone really knows that I like yellow. I love yellow. So, ayan. So, guys, isuot na natin siya. Ayan. Outfit check pack. Okay, so, ganito siya, guys. Okay. Suot na natin to. So, ito ganito siya ang kaniyang ano guys. Ganito yung kaniyang, ayan o. Yung garter niya guys is very, ito lang siya. Ayan. Ang size nito ay, the size is, I think, medium siguro ni. XL DI. So, XL siya guys. XL. Ayan, XL. So, suot na natin to. Let's go. Suot na natin. So, guys, ayan. Maliit siya, guys. This is small. This is XL already. Small. Tan-awar good, guys. Good. Look at this, guys. Ayan. Small siya. This is small to me, okay? Hindi siya ganun kaano. Hala. Uy, ang buhok na ako. Oh, hindi siya ano guys. An hour good. Hindi siya. This is not fit to me guys. Very small. I need to. I cannot wear this guys. Okay. Because this is small to me. Ito siya sa harap. Ayan. Ito siya guys sa likod. Tanawa. Ang sa likod siya guys, very maliit. Maliit talaga ang gawin ko. Pack. Maliit siya, so wala, ganun talaga. Tingnan natin yung isa guys kung talagang mag-ano siya. Ko siya tingnan. Boy, feel ko hindi talaga siya guys feel ko is, ayan, hindi talaga siya guys kasya. Pareho sila. Both of them are small to me. Okay. Tanaw good. Oh, it's small. I cannot wear it. Yan. Small siya. And then, dito po guys, tanawa. Maganda sana yung quality niya. The quality is good. Pero, yun nga yung nasabi ko is, it's not fit to me. Small also. Hi. But anyway guys, sige, laban natin to. Hindi ko ito masusuot siya. Hindi ko talaga ito masusuot. Yan. Hindi talaga siya kasi small to me, ha. Comment and subscribe everyone. Thank you for watching.